Srimati Mamtaji, Mani Sri Ravangwara Narjari, demand for a stoppage of all types of trains at Kokrajhar railway station in the Bodo land territorial region of Assam. Mani Sri Ravangwara Narjari. Please.
Thank you, sir, for giving me opportunity to discuss an important matter relating to the train communication of Assam. Sir, Kokrajhar railway station, a gateway to the northeastern region from mainland India, is located at the heart of the Bodoland Territorial Council, the headquarters of Bodoland. There is a university, a Central Institute of Technology, CIT, Bodoland Territorial Council, Secretariat, and so many major offices of the government. People coming from different parts of the Bodoland area to Kokrajhar for official purpose, facing lots of difficulties due to lack of availability of express or mail train stoppage at Kokrajhar railway station to travel to and fro from Kokrajhar as well as different stations of the Bodoland area to different destinations. There has been long-standing demand for train passengers of Assam at different railway stations which are to get approval from Railway Board. Demand for stoppage at Kokrajhar stations are Lohit Express, Saraighat Express, Jumbo Tawa Express, Jhaja Express, including all types of express mail train. A demand for stoppage at Gosaigaon stations are Northeast Express bound for Kamaika to Anand Vihar, Delhi. Kamru Express bound for Dibrugarh to Howrah, Vivek Express bound to Guwahati to Chennai, Bangalore Express bound to Dibrugarh to Bangalore, sir. Demand for stoppage at Dangtol station, Bongaigaon to New Jalpaiguri Express. Demand for stoppage at Basugaon station, Kosbihar to Kamaika Intercity Express, Dhubri to Kamaika passengers train. Demand for passengers train stoppage at Pokiragram, Sapotgram, Masbat, Khairabari station. Therefore, sir, I urge upon Honorable Minister of Railway to consider the demand of the public of that region and make it convenient to approve the proposal, which is urgent need of the train passengers and will be very helpful to the region. Thank you.